Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today we're going to adjust Carolyn. Now, Carolyn's an interesting case because she's had 2 spine surgeries.
Only one.
No, just one. Okay, so she's had a lower back one. I wasn't sure if your neck.
Nope.
Okay, not the neck. So we have one in the lower back, mid-lumbar, and it's fused, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So one of her main issues is right up above that area in her thoracolumbar junction. Tends to get really jammed up in there, which we worked on quite a bit. And today it's actually not horrible right there. And then also her sacroiliac joints tend to bug her a lot. And we adjust her a little differently usually. We'll use the SOT blocks on her usually for those. So let's check her out today and see how she's doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you're here.
That's why I'm there.
And a little higher in her thoracic spine today. Usually her problem area is like right at the base of the rib cage, but that actually feels pretty good today. All right, look straight ahead. Yeah, the neck's not heavy either. Okay, well let's straighten out your pelvis and then we'll take care of the rest. Okay, so you lay face down. About a ½ inch short on the right, and it goes long.
If you say it goes long, what does that mean?
So when we bend them up, you'll actually see the short leg will go longer.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
and that usually means that the right SI
The
joint
issue is higher
is
up.
restricted right in there. So, all right. So we're gonna block her for that. And Carolyn's really good at she had gone to other chiropractors before me and had success with the blocks. And I don't do this a lot, but I know how to do it, so we do that for her. There we go. And she does the rest. She'll take a few deep breaths, and usually we can see it move. We'll see. Is it moving?
Yep.
It's getting there. The right side's still sitting a little higher. There we go.
Measure of how much I needed to be.
That one. Yeah. Nice. Good?
Yeah.
That evened right up. That stayed even. Very good. Yeah. A little sore there too. Okay. The thoracic here. There we go. There it goes. You're moving easy today.
Yeah. Another measure of how much I needed to be.
Alright, let's have you flip over on your back. And we're going to scooch you down a little bit. Perfect. One more. Let it go. Let it go. So, Caroline found us by cat Kathy, we had Kathy in an earlier video. Caroline is one of her fabric suppliers, right?
That's right. So I lift and carry fabric.
Yeah. So. And so she's in the car a lot, usually. I think that's probably the source of a lot of your issues. Yeah.
Holding my hands on steering wheels.
Yeah. One more lateral bend.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. I think the lights just got brighter.
Did it?
Yeah.
I didn't have to try that. Okay, let's bring it up.
Okay.
Bring it back in the chair.
I did a Pilates session on Friday.
Okay.
And she had me do a hip opener move
Okay.
and laying on the side with this leg up and stretching out and then coming
So,
back in.
is that when your
and then
pelvis
out.
got all?
No, that's when all this got moving.
Oh, okay.
And so I self-adjusted all through this, and I thought, oh, I need to get into Dr. Butler and get finished.
Gotcha. This is way better.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, hey, that was a good adjustment. Nice and easy. You guys have a great one. Thanks for watching.